ready to discuss the first item that we had on the agenda?
Absolutely. Let's do it.
All right. It seems that there's a class action lawsuit against Tesla following a report about employees sharing photos and video footage from from customers' entertainment systems. And from what I can tell, they're talking about the exterior cameras.
Yes.
And because in the article, it did mention that the footage included someone dragging someone else against their will in the deal. And it also included a naked man walking around in his garage. So,
I mean, who wouldn't do that if they had, a nice closed-in garage?
Oh, yeah.
I wouldn't weld or anything out there, but, hey.
Well, I mean, it's your private area.
Right,
As long as you keep the door down, I believe we're okay.
Right,
I mean, with that part. But you don't expect your car to be videotaping.
Yeah,
you.
that's kind of would be embarrassing.
Yeah, and especially if that got out.
Right.
And also it included some situations where people were in some what would be considered embarrassing for them if it got out.
Right.
So this footage that's going on in your garage, is that something that should be completely private? And does this is this lawsuit, class action lawsuit, is it something that a person has a point?
I believe they do, and with the Tesla cars that have the self-driving feature, all of the data gets uploaded to Tesla, and that's how they kind of beta test and they build out their whole self-driving software, and they make adjustments and everything to that. And with that comes these camera views. And like last week, I wrote an article for the Augusta Press on advanced driver assistance systems and how it was kind of a slippery slope when it comes to a lot of ethics issues. And I believe this is one of those. And this came out right after I wrote the article, or it would have been included in it. And, when you have new technology, you're going to have problems that come up that no one could ever think of. And this is one of them. And it really falls on the fact that the quality of employee that was sharing those I guess pictures or video files that there is an ethical problem with that employee. But everything in front of that car, and we've seen this work in the advantage of car owners that own Teslas, that somebody comes and keys their car, or somebody comes and does something stupid to their Tesla, which Tesla is one of the most vandalized cars out there because it's a Tesla. And we see those images that have been used to catch people doing things, but it can also catch you doing things. So you have to remember that.
Well, it makes you wonder what other information is able to be gathered. I mean, how much are your conversations inside a car recorded? How much? What else is being recorded? Right. It's pretty much anywhere that you go, anywhere that you have been, is knowledge. I mean, it's right. There. It's information that someone has.
Right, and we have, this technology, as far as the invasion of privacy type stuff, has been around a while. Matter of fact, if you ever kept up with the Alex Murdaugh trial, you'll find that OnStar was used as a source for his position and at what time, and was used against him in evidence. Now, of course, that was a good thing.
Yes,
but
and actually, it was the primary evidence against him.
Right. So yeah, these cars are getting smarter. And that's going to be, we're going to see benefits and we're going to see disadvantages to that type of system in the future. Just like with the computers, that we have, or our cell phones, or any other electronic device that we use to somewhat keep our privacy. Right.
All right. So that's going to be some big questions to come. Does a person, does other people have a right to that information, to watch that information? Even though high probability it was signed in a contract when you bought the vehicle, that this footage can be used by Tesla as far as in order to make the system better.
Right, and I believe that,
improve the system.
Tesla has done the right thing in terminating the employees that were doing the bad stuff with the footage. I believe they did lose their job, and rightfully so. You can't take someone's private moments and broadcast them.
No. Okay, people, all of you that has the Teslas, remember that your garage is being monitored.
Yeah.
And be careful with that information.
Absolutely.